Hey, Amik, are you coming? Come on out and say hi to the people. Don't get you done. Oh, start the ha when is she manda? Honey, can see. Miigwech gabi watch we eh? Thank you for visiting. No, what's going on? Not much, buddy. I was thinking you can introduce yourself, eh? What do you think? Oh, introduce myself to who? You? I was thinking more along the lines that you introduce yourself to the people. Where are the people? Schnabek. Kagego. Kaweya. Nobody's here, I know, but this is a camera. Nishke, can you see your image? No, ma, Amik. Pusho, Kinawea, Kenzie. What do you want me to say to the good people? How about you speak, Anishinaabe Moen? Oh, Ningo Gogwe, Nita Anishinabem. Ningogwe, Nita Anishinabem. Bangieta, Nistotam. Oh, okay. So you're telling the people you're trying to learn the language and you only understand a little bit. Nishin Kenji. Bangin Nagash Kiton, Hui Anishinaabe Moyan. Oh, say that again, slow. Bangi Nita Skiton, Hui Anishinaabe Moyan. How this can see? Hey buddy, that's pretty good. You did good. So let's keep it simple for the people and let's do an intro. Honey Posho Kinawea Amik Nadishnakas. Excellent, buddy, excellent. Miigwech Kenzie. Where are you from, buddy? Well, where do you live now? Oh, Nikikita, Beka. Nizagigan Megwa Ndinda. So what does that mean, bud? Oh, that means I come from the water, the lake, silly Kenzie. Yeah, and that's where I live now, by the lake. Okay, good job, okay. Alright. Now, Miigwech. So, what's it like to be a beaver? Huh? Okay, that's a silly question. How about this? Can you share one good thing with the people? Oh, but that's sugar. My Nuichke, my boy, he said this. Nenda gisa den demish kagwin. Mekwendan Mino win the Mishkagwin. Something like that. I'm still learning, you know. I'm not very good yet. Okay, let me try that. Nenda Gisaden the Mishkagwin. Nishin. Kimtam. Mekwendan Mino win the Mishkagwin. Does that make sense? Nibishkendan Manda. Can you tell me what that means? Oh, forget what making you sad. Think about only what makes you happy. Miigwech, Bamampi, Kinawea. Thank you, Amik, for your appearance, and it took a lot of courage for you to be here. Thank you for coming out. Miigwech, Bamampi. Miigwech Giniwa. Is it Giniwa or Giniwa? I don't know. I gotta start studying more. I need someone to talk to. Bamapi.